Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap, Centerville, local and long-distance movers near me. Before a move can qualify as a long-distance move, it must be more than 50 miles. 3 Movers provides cheap, long-distance moving services that ensure your belongings' best and safest delivery. Our experienced movers have the essential skills and training to properly organize and load all of your belongings onto our truck. Our moving vehicles are spacious enough to hold all of your belongings, and our fully enclosed moving trucks can keep your possessions safe as possible. Our drivers are also familiar with the routes within Centerville and those heading to other nearby cities and states. They also have valid driver's license and are trained in driving long distances, and as a result, they know the driving laws and strictly adhere to them. We also have insurance policies in place that cater to the safety and security of your belongings. Our client satisfaction within their belongings are safely delivered give us utmost joy. Local relocations tend to be less complicated and less time-consuming than long-distance ones. Although this notion is correct, things can quickly go awry without proper planning. Over the years, 3 Movers has supplied local moving services in Centerville, Indiana. Our services charge often varies from $30 to $40 an hour, and you can be confident that you receive value for your money. All of our clients have good reviews about our services. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Centerville moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.